Up everyone. Today we're gonna be trying Mr. Beast original chocolate.
You sure you're up for it?
Yes.
Alright. You sure you're up for it? Are you really sure?
The hell is this?
What is it?
Tastes like shit. Tastes like shit.
Milk chocolate? Oh, this is original. It's alright. What do you think?
4 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Huh?
6 out of 10.
What was that? Chocolate sea salt. Open up.
Mr. Beast chocolate sea salt. Can you read my sea bass chocolate?
I prefer these as my snack better.
Why?
These are always good. I would have these on my steak, on my milk, on my chicken, and I would even have it on my finger, and I go. Yeah, that's how good it is. The hell is this?
There's a little bit of salt. What do you think?
It tastes like putting salt on a pretzel. It's like tasting. It's like you putting pretzel, and then you put chocolate and then salt on it. And when you eat the chocolate donut, don't you have a crunch?
Mm-hmm.
I would probably rate it more of a 5 out of 10. Actually, nah, I'll change it to a 2 out of 1, a 2 out of 10. Two out of 10, definitely. Definitely a 2 out of 10. So,
I'm gonna get more of the salt.
this is my fault right here. Nothing could go wrong with a bit of Takis.
This is just chocolate sea salt.
That is the Mr. Beast chocolate sea salt.